Text formatting is crucial for maintaining consistency and readability in Excel spreadsheets. Functions like trim, upper, lower, and proper offer efficient ways to modify text data. Whether we need to remove excess space, standardize capitalization, or enhance the presentation of names and addresses, these functions streamline text formatting tasks. In this worksheet, we have some names listed in column A. And right now, with the help of these functions, we are going to transform them into more readable and presentable format. So first, we are going to use trim function. And even before that, let's try to find out the length of all these names with the help of length function, which is len in Excel. Enter. So there are 16, 16, and for John Cena there are 11 spaces. So let's have a look. So John for 4, space for 1, and Cena for 4. So there should be 9 letters. But there are 2 more because of the extra space given after Cena. So there are situations when a text string might look like that it is small, but its actual length might be far more because of the extra spacing given at the end. So in all these situations, trim function comes in handy. So to use trim function, first select the cell B2 and type trim and refer cell A2, enter, and double click the fill handle. Now if we try to find the length of all the names, it would be pretty much accurate what it should be. We are going to use upper function to convert the text to uppercase, ensuring uniform capitalization. Double click the fill handle. Similarly, we have a lower function as well. Again, we'll refer cell C2, enter. It ensures that there is consistency in the case. And finally, if we want the names to be in their standard form, which is the first letter in capital and rest in small, for that we are going to use proper function, enter. So the proper function capitalizes the first letter of each word, making text more readable. So all these functions are invaluable when working with names, addresses, or any text-based content, ensuring the spreadsheets maintain a consistent and professional appearance.